My name is VISHNU VINAYak. I have completed my bachelor's from Computer Science and Engineering. I'm 2024 pass out. After that, I came here to PYSPIDERS. I enrolled in a Python full stack course, in which I was getting trained as a Python full stack. I have completed all the courses related to that. Right now, few classes are going on, but I got placed from my source only, in which I got the placement as a front-end development. The main thing what I got a good related that ki due to the sessions of assignments and the teachers enrollment to check if someone is providing a good knowledge, it helped me so much to get a how to face the interview. Main thing is that ki how I have faced the interview is the main confidence what we have to build. Okay. After that, when I got the first round, I have done all the technicals round I have cleared. After that, the second round, again the technical round was happened, in which they are asking questions from the React and DSA related that. Everything was going smoothly. After that, I got a call from the company named XYZ, where I got placed, and they just told me just to come to join the company around 12th of September. And the gross package was 6.5 LPA. In hand will be something around 50. That's all good for a freshers or a trained fresher right now. And the few faculties who just helped me for that was Kashinath sir. He has a good knowledge about the Python, how to give the things in the mind as a student. If you don't know from the basic what to do in Python, he has just provided all the information in a trackback system, so that every student can easily catch everything what he is explaining in the mind. For that experience, I just thank to Kashinath sir. So for that, he has just helped me throughout that. And thank you for I got the place, and thank you so much.